Welcome to Vegas with me. I am staying at Caesars, which is an awesome hotel. So this is the beautiful area. I have all my makeup set up, my little thing, like my little makeshift tripod going on, but gorgeous little makeup area with really great lighting. So I think it'll be a fun time to do a little get ready with me. Just so you can see, here's a cute little setup. So I have all my makeup bag, my brush bag, few things. I've got a beauty blender. The sink is killing me. I love that there's a sink here, little towel, but beautiful lighting and beautiful setup. I thought, you know, it'd be a shame to not take advantage. Alrighty, hello. So I am gonna zoom in just a teeny tiny bit more, but this is my little makeshift setup. The lighting here is so freaking nice that I just thought I would take advantage of it and do a little get ready with me. So I'm gonna do a daytime get ready with me right now, and then because I'm lazy and I don't take my makeup off to redo it at night, we are going to a club at night. We're going to Omnia to see Calvin Harris. So I'm gonna come back and just show you how I upgrade my day makeup to night makeup, super quick and easy. But this is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I use the color black. I like to start with brow pencils first because it gives me more time for my sunscreen to kind of set on my face before I start putting foundation on. So there's that. Sorry, I know I can tell the lighting keeps changing on you. Okay, there you go. That's good lighting. Better lighting. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the Glossier Boy Brow, and I have the color brown. Okay, I think I've had enough time to kind of get my sunscreen to set, so I'm actually going to take my beauty blender. Absolutely disgusting. I'm showing you the less disgusting side, but it's still disgusting. I probably just need a new one. But I'm also gonna take my Your Skin But Better CC cream. And this is in the color Light. I love that this has 2 physical sunscreens in it. I use a relatively small pump. I don't use it to cover my whole entire face. I just kind of use it in my problem areas. Next, I'm gonna take concealer. I usually, like I said, I just like to have one concealer that does everything, but because it's such a long day and it's gonna need to last me day to night, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes, and then I'll use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer everywhere else. So again, I've mentioned this in my 5-minute get ready with me challenge type of video, but I use a dry beauty blender during the day because a wet one will disrupt my sunscreen. Yeah. So that makes it a little bit hard to blend out the Shape Tape when the beauty blender is dry, but we'll make it work. Make it work, make it work, make it work. Done with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna take my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Custard, which is a little too yellow for me actually. If I'm not wearing the CC cream. If I'm wearing the CC cream, you can't really tell, I guess. What am I doing? Just gonna put it on some problem areas. Next, I'm gonna go with Glossier's Cloud Paint in the color Dusk. I've told everyone I love it and how amazing it is. Ooh, that's way too much product. Wow. Okay, we'll run with it and see what happens. I got way too much product on. So the way I like to apply this is to put it on in a little straight line where you would contour almost, and then blend it up. Yeah, I can tell it's like way too much product already. It's nice because it's very blendable and very layerable, but it is a beautiful product, really easy to use and very long lasting actually. So you can see that. Just creates gives me like more heightened cheekbones, I guess. Kind of makes my cheekbones pop a little bit when I use this product because of the placement. And the color is beautiful. I think the color works well on so many different skin tones, and they have darker versions for those of you with deeper skin. Do you have any clean fingers to blend this out with? Yeah. Okay, so that is my blush. A little bit extra. I am a little, yeah, it's a little bit too much, but that's okay because I'm gonna be wearing this all day long and it's gonna come off. And with this cool sink that's here, I get to wash my hands. So cool. Next, I'm gonna go to eyes. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm not doing full eyeshadow. I am just using ColourPop's Super Shock Shadow in the color Game Face, which I've mentioned is one of my favorite eyeshadows. Super easy. I just put it on with my fingers, blend it out like a basic B because I'm not doing anything special. So it's just a fun, beautiful summer color. I'll take a little bit of this primer potion. And then what's cool about this is like at night, I can just dress the shadow up for when we're going to the club. I'm gonna take this with my finger. And this is gonna be a messy application. Don't judge this because it's just gonna be really easy, just on the lid probably. And I just think it's such a beautiful, beautiful shade. Kind of, like I said, messy application, not a huge deal. I just want it to look cute for the daytime. I just think it's a fun look. Next, I'm gonna put on my Cargo Cosmetics Champagne highlighter. Again, I will top this off and use a different highlighter at night so I can act a fool out in Vegas. But for the day, I think this is perfect. Next, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Using the Monsieur Big mascara that I've been using in probably any video I've used mascara on my channel lately. Cool, so that's eye makeup, everything, face makeup. I mean, it's all really done. I haven't done my hair yet, but that's fine. I'm probably just gonna tie my hair up like a little, do a little pony thing action with my hair, but there's the face. I'm gonna do a little bit of lip liner. I'll use the Marc Jacobs Pout Liner Longwear Lip Pencil in the color Primrose, I believe. Again, a complaint I have with this product is that it falls out of the tube, but it was small, so it's nice to travel with. I like to just outline my lips. I don't, like, very lightly though, just to give a little like contour, a little shape to them. I'm not trying to pull off the 90s look, but you know, it happens. I'm gonna use MAC Fuller Abundance lip glass. I'm gonna eat right now anyway, it's gonna come off. That does not look good at all. Okay, we're gonna abort mission. Abort mission. Oh my God, that looks so bad. Okay, there's my quick and easy get ready with me for Vegas during the day. I'll be back to show you what I'm doing at night for my makeup, how to like kind of spruce this up a little bit to make it a little more nightimey. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Through Get Ready With Me fashion, I just wanted to show you really quick what I decided to wear. This is, it sells Chanel, but it's not actually Chanel, it's from a vintage store. And then this is a belt that my mom gave me. Just tied my hair up because I'll just do it tonight and I think it kind of looks cute like this. These are Moto jeans, Hayden jeans from Topshop, and then my Adidas Superstars. I got my watch and a few rings on, and that's it. I'm just gonna grab my black crossbody that I always wear, but I like this outfit. Sorry, I keep turning the camera, but I like this outfit a lot. It's just kind of comfy. I don't really like to wear heels during the day, but comfy and light for summertime, and then we'll change at night. I'll be back to show you what I'm wearing then. Okay, hello everybody, welcome back. I am officially ready for the nighttime. I'm just gonna pat my face with a little bit of a tissue. I have oil blotting sheets, but too lazy to find those right now. Usually I would actually take off my under eye makeup just very lightly. Let me show you what I do. So I'll do just a little teeny tiny bit of micellar water on a cotton pad. And all I want to do is just wipe the under eye area because it gets nice and dry. Just want to make sure I'm applying my stuff onto a clean canvas. It's been a long day. I'm really freaking tired. Good tired. Like, we did a lot of stuff tired. Why is it? Oh my God, my skin is so dry in Vegas. It's crazy. Oh no, and there's a cotton pad all over me now. Okay, so I have my Urban Decay setting spray. I'm actually gonna start with this as like a little base. Really helps keep everything on, and I just have a little mini size that I refill with my full size, so I don't have to keep rebuying the mini. Beauty blender. I would get this wet, but I don't feel like it right now. I'm just gonna go back with a little bit of my It CC cream and put it in just this area. So now I look like a demon. So just like a little bit there. Just kind of pat that on in that vicinity. And then a little on the forehead, whatever. Nice. At least this looks, it just kind of is a nice way to make people think you kind of redid your makeup. That way it doesn't look so worn in and like, you know, streaky and settled into lines and like flaking off type of. I'm gonna do just a little bit of Tarte concealer, but very little, because in pictures this is like, this pops off in pictures. So just a little bit. So I'm just gonna kind of touch up my makeup using the Fawn Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. I want to keep exactly what I have on my face. Actually, we'll top it off with a little bit more of this Game Face is the color from ColourPop. I think it's beautiful. Just touch it up a little bit. And then I'll mess with the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. This Moda crease brush, the little unicorn brush that came in my Allure beauty box, and I'll take this shade. This is a quick shadow look. It's nothing like I'm gonna take a long time to do and just kind of go back and forth. Like totally unprepared, no base shade, it's fine. I just kind of want to up this look just a little teeny bit for the nighttime. And then I'll take my e.l.f. crease brush with the darkest color in here, which is a slightly glittery shade. It's a little bit weird. Just plop that in the corner and do like a little. It's also kind of a patchy, not very pigmented shade, which is kind of annoying. And then there's a lot of fallout when I use it. Do the same for the other eye, so just a little bit of a smoky look going on. Okay, I'm gonna take this Morphe M433 brush, was also in an Allure beauty box. It was the Jaclyn Hill box, and just kind of blend everything out. Easy parts are next. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer. Bahama Mama, the bomb. I'm gonna use my Eco Tools blending and bronzing brush. Beautiful finish. I'm actually gonna do it in this mirror. I'll start here and just do the little C shape, but kind of like buffing it in the C shape instead of. And this is just to amp my look a little bit and give me a little more warmth. But really, I don't feel like I can't even see makeup in the club. You really can't. There you go. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Easy Liner, Mega Liner. Sorry, I'm thinking of Jordana. Do a nice little line, nice little winged line. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte Lipstick in XO Velada. It's just a fun play on just kind of the classic matte lip. And it matches my eye color, so I think it's cute. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of liner and see if that helps at all. Touch up my brows just by re-combing them with the Glossier Boy Brow. I don't know how I feel about this lip. I think it's pretty and it goes with my eyes, so I think I might stick with it tonight, but it's bugging me. Whatever, we'll just go with this. So that's that. That is my easy peasy lip look, and I have my curling iron ready to do the his hair. I just take it. I like the clamp irons. They're so much easier to use in my opinion. Really, usually I don't touch the bottom of my hair. I just kind of mess with the top, make it a little bit messy, and call it a day. Okay, and then I just let it sit. Like I know it's like a little too curled and a little too extra, but I let it sit like that and really set. And then once it does set and all of that, I will mess with it, make it messy, use a little volume spray, a little volume powder, and a little finishing spray. So I'll let that set while I go pick out my outfit.